Meaning of entirety.
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 Entirety. The term entirety refers to the state of being complete, whole, or full. It suggests that something is unbroken or undivided, with all its parts or elements present and accounted for. To speak of the entirety of something is to address it as a unified entity, rather than as a collection of separate parts. Whether used to describe an experience, a work of art, or a system of ideas, referring to something in its entirety implies a recognition of its fundamental coherence and integrity.